Welcome to Unity Hall, one of our housing facilities where you can make UTRGV your home. Residents gain entry using their student ID card. The first thing you'll see is our lobby area, which is open 24/7 for all residents and their visitors. It's a great place to finish your homework or relax with board games, or play table tennis or pool. All equipment is available for checkout with your student ID. Our community kitchen is for all residents to use from 8 a.m. to 1 a.m. A stove and fridge are available for food storage and cooking. Our TV room is perfect to watch your favorite shows and movies with others from the community or just hang out. We have study rooms on every floor to help you get exam ready. Our laundry room is open 24/7 and completely free to use. All you have to do is bring your own soap and you're good to go. You also get your own mailbox and mail key as a resident. In Unity, you'll be part of a thriving community with resident assistants on every floor who are there to assist you if you ever need anything. Each room will come completely furnished with a twin-size bed, 2 closets, one for you and your roommate, as well as your own desk, chair, and cabinet for storage. The restroom area is shared with your suite mates. Decor won't be provided, but it's a great way to show your personality and make it feel like home.